Hello boy, Pochoy! Welcome back to my channel mga kabochoy. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. In today's video mga kabochoy, we will talk or we will discuss about 10 Filipino words that do not have English translation. If you're very interested to this topic, stay tuned, click the bell button, click subscribe, and click like button as well. And here are the 10 Filipino words with no English equivalent. Because we Pinoys have words for everything. And we are so creative. We have words that defy exact translation into English. I compiled 10 words while they make sense to Pinoys and baffle foreigners. They're entertaining just the same. So brush up your Grammies and Grumpies vocabulary, as most of these words found use during their era. And get your handcuffs on. We're exploring and translatable Filipino words. Number 1 is kilig. Kilig na kilig ako nung hinawakan niya ako sa kamay. While its earlier form was mixed with borrowed English words to read kilig to the bones, we've come to accept kilig as a standalone word. It could mean trembling in English, but not quite. See, what trembling doesn't describe is the excitement and the romantic feeling that comes with kilig. It's like this. I'm on cloud 9, plus I'm so happy I could burst, plus I'm so electrified I can think straight equals kilig. And even these words can't adequately explain how kilig truly feels. Number 2. Usog. Nausog ng ali yung anak ko. Nagsuka tuloy at nilagnat. It doesn't matter whether you think the child in question is cute or not. If you're new to that place and some kid gets sick after you leave, you have cursed the child by usog. And now you have to put some of your saliva on the kid's forehead, tummy, and feet while saying the words "puwera usog" over and over again. Only then will you have appeased the parents, cure the child, and be allowed to leave. Number 3. Tampo. Nagtatampo ako dahil hindi mo naalala ang wiksari natin. You're not really so angry, but you're not happy either, and you feel snubbed. All these emotions rolled into one word, tampo. No English word can sufficiently translate this one, and there is no Western equivalent. Pissed off is too extreme. Disappointed is close, but not quite. It doesn't even come close. Sulking, although silent treatment is a symptom. Try all of that with a dash of sweetness, and that's the closest translation you'll probably get. Number 4. Basta. Basta sundin mo na lang ang inutos ko sa'yo. Tapos. When Pinoy says basta, it's definitive. What was said before basta was uttered is final, valid, and true. It is said with a kind of insistence that cannot be challenged or argued upon. When our none is declared basta, we are expected to obey meekly and accept that wisdom without question. She always just knows best. Number 5. Gigil. Ang cute ng bata. Nakakagigil. Some have cleverly defined this as an urge to pinch or squeeze something that is irresistibly cute, and that's pretty much it. However, we also use it in another context. Nanggigigil ako sa kapitbahay naming napakaingay. Well, this way, it hardly means irresistibly cute. You're closer to slap the neighbor than actually pinching his or her chest. Giggle, therefore, is subjective. uncontrollable urge to pinch or squeeze somebody or something, but it's not always mean because of cuteness. Number 6 is Ngilo. Nagsisi ako na uminom ako ng malamig nang nilutuloy ang ngipin ko. Sure, Ngilo refers to teeth sensitivity, but Ngilo is really more about the sensation, that lightning-like palpable pain that your teeth get when you drink your cold drinks. However, this isn't the only definition. The other one is the teeth-gritting feeling that you get when you hear the sound of fingernails scraping against the chalkboard. Number 7 is Pasma. Huwag ka munang humawak ng tubig pagkatapos mong magplancha, baka mapasma ka. The word pasma isn't even a medical phenomenon. It can't be translated to English because it doesn't exist. But our lolas would beg to differ. Pasma could either manifest by shaking, numbness, or abdominal pain, and is brought about by immediate exposure to cold water after an intense activity. Therefore, body heat plus cold water equals pasma. And number 8, Ewan. Ewan ko kung nasaan siya nagpunta. Hindi ko alam. According to Apo Hiking Society, Ewan is almost synonym to yes. Are they right? Maybe. But that's the beauty of the word Ewan. It's so vague, it doesn't give away anything. It could mean a lot of things at once. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't care. It could also mean the person is of two minds at the moment or undecided. Maybe you just don't have anything to say, so you toss A1 just to say something. Depending on the context, A1 could be full or without meaning. Number 9, alimpungatan. Naalimpungatan ang lalaki nung nag-away ang dalawang babae sa labas. This word is something that all Pinoys know could either make or break a person's mood. Alimpungat is that state when your sleep has been rudely interrupted, leaving you half asleep and half awake. In this state of half awareness, you're probably unsure about being awake or asleep. The closest English translation to the word is rude awakening, but it doesn't describe the unconsciousness or the state of consciousness. And last but not the least, number 10, umay. Ayoko nang kumain ng manok, nakakaumay na. Umay is when you've had enough, when you're overfed to the point of not being able to take in anymore. However, this isn't limited to food. We managed to incorporate this into emotions. Ayaw na kitang makita na uumay ako sa pagmumukha mo. It's a not so nice way of telling somebody to get lost with an insult to blow.
That's it, Pansit mga kabutsoy. There you have it. You heard our 10 Filipino words that do not have an English translation. If you want to say something, comment down below so that we can have a healthy discussions. We can talk about it. Whatever you want to add, whatever you want to say, comment down below. Thank you so much, and that's it, Pansit mga kabutsoy. God bless us all.